Welcome, everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how to create stunning product mockups using ChatGPT. We'll walk through setting up a professional product scene, designing eye-catching labels, and showcasing your final mockup in a realistic environment. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. Alright, let's start by creating the scene where our product will shine. The goal here is to build a clean and modern display that makes the product the star of the show. We want a setup that's both visually appealing and professional, something that would look great in a catalog or an online store. And so, here's the prompt that I crafted together, along with a bit more detail so that ChatGPT would be specified for the results better. See? And now, let's send this off. Now that we've sent the prompt, ChatGPT will work on creating our scene. We've specifically asked for a minimalist design with focused lighting and a neutral background. The setup should help our product stand out while keeping the overall look sleek and sophisticated. And speaking of which, here you go. Just as I expected based on the prompt that I created together. Looks really nice. Thanks, ChatGPT. With our product scene in place, the next step is to give our product its unique identity. This is where we'll design the label and packaging, which are crucial for making a strong first impression. So let's craft a prompt that will guide ChatGPT to create a label that matches our sleek, minimalist aesthetic. So here it is, just as I stated. So here we go. Here's the whole prompt that I crafted together. Also, additional thing, you can not only just use the prompt, there is another feature that I'll be using for this two segments, which is the current one that we'll be talking about and later on. So say hello to the edit the photo feature right here. So here's what I'm going to do. You can click this one with the palette and paintbrush icon right here. Select. As you can see, here's an option, and you can click using this one, this circle right here that I'm currently toggling right here, to click on areas of the generated photo that ChatGPT had provided for you, just for it to be edited. See. And alongside this one, here we have, you can increase or decrease the size, undo, redo, or you can click clear selection if you're unsatisfied or you get messy with the selection that you want to edit. So for the logo, let's say I wanted to put it right here. There we go. So you can see here with the area selected, it's now highlighted along with the prompt right here. Now it's ready to go. So let's send this off and we'll see how this happens. There we go, as it's currently processing. So let's give it a moment to work its magic. So once the label is ready, we'll see how it enhances the overall presentation of our product. So this might take a bit while. So as you'll see here, so let's click it here. See? As a result, the specific area is about the same photo. But this one, this area right here, has been edited with the logo. Pretty impressive, huh? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that our final product and label are complete, it's time to take things to the next level by placing it in a realistic environment. This step is crucial because it allows us to see how the product would look in a real-world setting, making the mockup much more impactful. So let's guide ChatGPT once more to create a luxurious setting for a mockup, for instance. So here's the prompt in the meantime. For instance, that I crafted together. Here we go. See? A lot more detailed as you see. So once again, you can either not use this feature or not, but for me in the meantime, I could use this just for specifics. And if you want to select basically everything else except for the bottle, go for it. So meanwhile, I could select the whole image like this. Right here. There we go. And there. See? All selected. The whole image selected. And let's send this off right now. As you can see, now that the prompt is sent with the selected area from the image, now we'll let ChatGPT do its work. Now we're aiming to create a scene that feels both elegant and inviting. And here we go. So let me click this just to give a better view. And yeah, so this type of setting is perfect for showcasing high-end products, making them appear as if they're ready for a magazine spread or a premium ad campaign, just as you see right here. See? And there you have it, a fully realized product mock-up crafted with the power of ChatGPT.